In France, a subtle shift in urban design is bringing sustainability right to the edges of pedestrian paths and parklands. Instead of using traditional metal railings or cement barriers, many cities and towns are now installing low-slope wooden fences, carefully carved with horizontal grooves that serve more than just aesthetic purpose. These grooves act as miniature rain channels, guiding water from the surface of the fence down into nearby flower beds planted along sidewalks, boulevards, and playgrounds. Crafted from treated, sustainably sourced timber, these wooden fences are angled just slightly, enough to catch rainfall and funnel it gently through carved notches. As the water trickles down, it's directed with precision toward the roots of plants below, creating a passive irrigation system that supports greenery without relying on hoses or sprinklers. During heavy rain, the fences also help prevent soil erosion by dispersing water slowly rather than letting it pool or rush. The flower beds are often filled with native plants and pollinator-friendly species like lavender, thyme, or wild daisies, adding bursts of color and fragrance to otherwise utilitarian borders. The warm texture of the wood, paired with visible water trails and thriving plants, transforms public space into a living, breathing ecosystem. France's groove-carved wooden fences are a poetic example of functional design, where rain isn't blocked or wasted, but guided with care to nourish the earth just inches away.